It's there when you wake up in the morning, setting at the end of the day. It's the first astronomical observation you ever made. Our sun emits light. Now in this course we really like to ask the question why. Why is our sun emitting light, and will it carry on shining forever? Can we use science and technology to understand what's happening inside our own sun? So the first question we want to ask is, are all stars like our own sun? And to do that, we're going to point our telescope at Omega Centauri. This is a massive cluster of stars in our own Milky Way galaxy. The image you can see here was taken by the Hubble Space Telescope. You'll see lots of stars just like our sun, yellowy and white, but you'll also see blue stars and red stars. So from our first look through the telescope, we can see that no, stars are not all like our sun. And that's because as stars age, they change. Now in our own lifetime, we won't see our sun changing. So if we want to deduce what's going to happen to our sun in the future, we're going to have to look at the properties of lots and lots of stars in our own galaxy. Now Andy said earlier that looking at all these beautiful images is all very nice, but in order to do science, we need to extract numbers from these data. And today we're going to look at two numbers, brightness and colour. And I'm going to plot faint stars down here and bright stars up here, blue stars on the left and red stars on the right. And if I wanted to plot our sun on the diagram, plot it around here, yellow, not too bright, just a normal star. Now we call this diagram the Hertzsprung-Russell diagram, after the people who first invented it, but you often hear that shortened to the HR diagram. So if we want to understand what's going on inside our sun, we're going to need to take lots of data with telescopes. We're going to need wide field imaging, sharp imaging in multicolour, so we can fill out that HR diagram with brightness and colour. In the next video, Andy's going to tell you about the telescope technology, and then we're going to look at the science that we're going to use to interpret our findings.